Hi everyone, my name is Aditi and I really hope you all are healthy and safe. For today's video, I'm going to share with you guys a huge haul video. It's a makeup and a little bit of skincare haul, and I have shopped from a lot of different brand websites, and I have just a lot of products. Then I have also shopped from various e-commerce websites like Nykaa, Amazon, Flipkart. So I have all the stuffs right here. I have a lot of products to show to you guys today, but in no way I am trying to show off or just don't take it otherwise. Yeah, so now let's just continue with the video. This video is going to be long, so grab yourself some drink or a snack, and yeah, without any further ado, let's just get into the video. So first I shall begin with Nykaa haul. So the first thing that I got from Nykaa is this K-Beauty HD Illuminating Loose Powder. This is how it looks, and I got this in the shade Classic Gold. They have launched a bunch of their loose powders that I really wanted to try their loose highlighter. This is in the shade Classic Gold, as I said, and I think this retails for $7.99 for 10 grams. I'll leave all the prices in the description box below. So this is how the powder looks from inside, and yeah, I'll also swatch it for you guys. Can you see? The powder is very finely milled. It also comes with a sieve and also a stopper kind of a thing, which is really amazing. It feels very buttery smooth, but this shade, I think it will look a little like just a tad bit darker on my skin tone. But yeah, we'll see. We'll do a first impressions most probably of all of these products that I'm showing to you guys. That will be my next video, so yeah, wait for it. Then from Nykaa I got this Biotique Honey Creme Rejuvenating Body Wash. This is how it looks. I'm not going in any particular order because I have so many stuff. So yeah, this is the body wash from Biotique, and this one retails for rupees 180. I am assuming it would be very rich and moisturizing because it has honey and cream. So yeah. Okay, so next we have this Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer. This is oil-free moisturizer with hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. I have tried the Super Light Moisturizer already, the other variant of this, and that one was super good. So I really wanted to try this one out too, and I think I'll probably do a comparison of both the light moisturizers for you guys. I mean, if you're interested. But yeah, this is what I got from them next. Then I got this Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Powder Foundation. This is how it looks, and this is in the shade Silky Golden. I'll just show you how it looks from inside. So this is how it looks from inside. This is my favorite compact powder in the world, guys. Like, I'm not even kidding you guys. It is such a beautiful compact powder. I love this powder so much. I have finished like 2 of these already. It is the best compact powder I have tried, guys, like hands down. And then I got a few lipsticks from Lakme and Maybelline. From Lakme I got 3 lipsticks. The first one is this Lakme Absolute Matte Melt Lip Color. This is how it looks. This is in the shade Nude Hit. And then from their 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Lipstick range, I got Orchid Dust and Espresso Shot. So yeah, I'll be swatching all the 3 lipstick on the back of my hand. So yeah, just wait a second. By the way, this is how the Matte Melt liquid lip color looks like from the inside, and this is how Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte lipstick looks from inside. So this is the shade Nude Hit from their Matte Melt collection. This is Orchid Dust, and then the last one is called Espresso Shot. Then I got 2 lipsticks from Maybelline. They were on a BOGO. So this is from the Creamy Matte collection. I got the shade Nude Nuance, and I got Hot Chili Free. So I'm gonna swatch both of the shades. What the fuck, you guys? I mean, just look at it. I open it right now, and I thought it was empty, but the lipstick has stuck in the cap. Okay, so I'm not gonna swatch it right now, otherwise it will be a mess. This is the shade Nude Nuance, the last one right here. Then I also got my birthday pride gift, which is a sheet mask. I think, you know, a Nykaa birthday pride thing has got, I mean, degraded so much. Earlier they used to give such beautiful pouches, and then they came down to, you know, lip balm, and now these sheet masks. I absolutely hate sheet masks, by the way. I rarely, like, not even rarely, I don't use them at all. So yeah, I got this sheet mask from Nykaa. Then I bought this Miss Clear matte finish long lasting setting spray. This is how it looks. I really wanted to try a matte finishing spray for the humid weather, but you know, I don't think that the lockdown is going to get lifted, but yeah, I got it anyway. So then the last thing I got from Nykaa, yeah, I think that this is the last thing that I got from Nykaa, is the Khadi Natural Lip Balm. This is in the variant wine grapefruit. I have bought this a dozen of times, if not more. I really love this lip balm. It is so good, you guys. So I repurchased this. So next I got a few things from Flipkart. So the first one is this Nika K Autumn Spice eyeshadow palette. This is how it looks. It came completely broken, so I got the price of this, you know, refunded. But yeah, this is a beautiful palette. I have tried their apple palette, and that was really good, so I bought this one. But you know, all the shimmer shades in this one was broken so bad, so you know, this pan is completely empty, and these two shades, like, you know, these three shades, I'll tell you, has mixed together, and they have both become like one tone color. So yeah, that was the palette. But anyway, moving forward, I bought these two Essence eyebrow gel. I don't remember. Yeah, Make Me Brow. These are called Make Me Brow. So I got these are eyebrow mascaras, I guess that is what you call them. So yeah, I got two of them because they are very rare to find, and you know, these were in stock, so I couldn't resist. And yeah, these are said to be a dupe of Benefit brow mascara. I do not remember its name. Anyway, then I got this Swiss Beauty Midnight Sparkle glitter eyeshadow palette. This is how it looks. This is in the shade 01 and has 10 pressed glitters. Yeah, I really wanted to get some colorful glitter, so I thought this palette was really affordable, and you know, it had a lot of color options, so I got it. Then from Amazon I got two products. So the first one is this Earth Rhythm cleansing balm. This is in the variant Propolis Extract. So yeah, I have already used it, you guys. Like, I have used quite a lot of it, and I really like this balm. The only con is that you know, once it emulsifies, it stings your eyes. So yeah, that's the cleansing balm. Then I got the Miniso cotton pads. This is how it looks. This has 400 sheet cottons, and then 75 you know, a little more thicker cotton. Yeah, that was all I got from Amazon, Flipkart and Nykaa. Now we shall move towards some products I got from various brand websites. Yeah, so the first website I shopped from was Glowmere Beauty, and I got two of their lashes and one of their multi-chrome pigment. So I'll talk about them one by one. So the two lashes that I have got are in the variant Expensive and Divine. So this is how both of them looks like. Expensive is a sort of a natural looking lashes, whereas Divine is a bit dramatic. And then I got their multi-chrome pigment in the shade Rainbow. Now this is in a powder form, so I'll just show you. This is the reflex, like it shifts from golden to green to pink. This is beautiful. I'll again try it someday and let you know, but I'll probably need a glitter glue or an eyelash glue to stick it on. Next I shopped from Sugar Cosmetics, and I got the Wingman waterproof micro liner. Again, haven't tried it yet, but you know, I was running out of eyeliner, so I bought this one. Really excited to try it. Then I got the Sugar Contour De Force mini highlighter. This is in the shade Metal Medal. I'll just show you guys how it looks from inside. And this is the highlighter. It is beautiful. I have swatched it. It's like a pale golden color. Again, I'll swatch it here. Then lastly, from Sugar Cosmetics, I got their Magic Wand waterproof concealer. I got it in the shade 30 Chocochino. This is how the concealer looks from inside. I do not know if it will even suit me. I think it will be a good highlighting concealer if it doesn't oxidize. Yeah, we'll see that. Okay, so yeah, that was all I got from Sugar Cosmetics. Then I got a few stuffs from PAC Cosmetics. So the first thing I got from them, and the product that I'm most excited about, is this PAC eyeshadow primer. This is how it looks, and it is a transparent primer. I really wanted to get a eye primer from such a long time, so yeah, I got this one. Then I also bought one eyelash, and this is PAC Silk 101. This is how the eyelashes looks like. If you haven't been able to tell by now, I love wearing false eyelashes. Yeah, so this is how the eyelashes looks like. Looks quite natural to me, something that I think will suit my hooded eyes, but you know, again, we'll see. So yeah, these are the eyelashes. Then the last thing I bought from them is this Lash Fixer eyelash glue. I have tried this already. I quite liked it, so I repurchased it. It settles down into a transparent finish, like it almost disappears after you apply it. I mean, it won't peek through your eyeshadow and, you know, give that shine as if you have applied a glue on top of it. So, you know, even if you mess a little while applying your eyelashes, this is going to save your day. Then from an Instagram website, I got these brushes. These are from Zoeva, like not really Zoeva, but these are a copy of Zoeva brushes. It is a 10-piece brush set. Wait, I'll just settle it and then show you guys. Sorry, I just mentioned it was a 10-piece set, but no, it's not. It's a 15-piece set. So these are the eye brushes which you get in here. There are 11 eye brushes, and then we have 4 face brushes. Like you see, these are the face brushes and these are the eye brushes. We'll test them someday. And by the way, the name of the Instagram store was Glam Tales. I'll also leave the link to that in my description box below. And these are also of really good quality. I mean, I quite like the softness and the quality of the brush. So yeah, that was the only product I got from my Instagram store. That one retailed for rupees 1100 including shipping, I guess. So yeah, that's that. And then I shopped 2 lipsticks from Spectra Cosmetics. These are in the shade Troublemaker and A-Lister. This is how it looks from the outside. I really like Spectra lipsticks. The only thing is that you really have to tug and pull your lips to apply them, but the shades and, you know, the longevity, the matte finish of it is beautiful. So yeah, I got this from them. So here's the swatches. This one is A-Lister and this is Troublemaker. Then I only bought one thing from Dot & Key, and this is their Night Reset Retinol plus Ceramide Sleep Treatment Cream. This claims to soften wrinkles, fight dark spots, and yeah, that's all. So this is how it looks from inside. I have already used half of it. I quite like it, but you know, it has a lot of fragrance in it. So that's a con. It also comes with a spatula of its own, so that, you know, you do not dig your fingers inside every time you want to use it. I mean, it's just more hygienic. I have approximately used it for only 15 days now, so anything would be too soon to say about it. So yeah, now we are only left with 2 products, and both of them are from Reequil. So I got their ceramide and hyaluronic acid moisturizer for normal to dry skin. I have really oily skin, but you know, I have realized that you know, if you're someone who regularly does makeup, then I think you should really include ceramide or maybe retinol in your skincare routine. That really helps to keep your skin smooth and supple and to avoid the damage your makeup might be doing to your skin. So yeah, I got this. I have yet not tried it, so yeah, again very excited to try this. Once I finish the Dot & Key moisturizer, I will start using this one. And then finally I got this Re-Equil Ultra Matte Dry Touch Sunscreen Gel. This is how it looks, and it says it is water and sweat resistant, perfect under makeup. So I haven't opened it yet. I'll just do it for you guys. By the way, it has been approximately 4.5 months, if not more. I have not used a sunscreen because I'm just staying at home, you guys. I have not stepped out. But anyway, I got a sunscreen because I really wanted to get this, and this was on offer. And this is how it looks from inside. Again, I think I have quite a lot of time to use it. So yeah, again I'll let you know when I use it. The haul finished quicker than I thought, but yeah, I'll be doing a first impressions of most of these products next in my next video. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon beside the subscribe button so that you get notified when I upload my next video. You can also follow me on Instagram. The link to that will also be mentioned in my description box below. And yeah, so I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.